Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video it's going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be showing you guys how I design my business flyers in Canva, and I'm going to be designing a flyer for this beautiful trio that I have on my website that is available to purchase. That is my Valentine's Day lip gloss bundle, and these are so moisturizing, and guys, you can purchase them at www.herebeauty.com. So let's get into the video. Okay, so you want to go into Canva. Okay, then with the plus sign here, you're gonna click the plus sign again here. This is the size that we're gonna use for my Instagram posts. If you don't know, it says it right there, guys. And then you also have Instagram story sizes, Facebook covers, WhatsApp stories, Twitter, Pinterest, all these sizes here that you can play with. So for my Instagram posts, I am going to use this size. So I have already created the design. So I'm just going to go to my designs here. I'm going to show you guys the design, and then I'm going to walk you guys through it on how I created it. I'm not sure why this is not loading, but I believe it's the first one anyway. Yep. Okay. So this is the design we are going to create. We're going to learn how to create the image inside the letters, and we're going to work with some fonts and some PNG transparent files. So continue watching and let's get to designing. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this plus sign at the bottom right corner, and then I want to go to illustration. Then I'm going to go to frame. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the letters, and I'm going to use free. I'm going to spell free. So I'm just going to size it how I want to size it. You can do that size. And then I'm going to continue to add my letters, same steps, illustration, frame, and then I'm going to find my R. And I'm going to size that to how I would like it, same size, just like that. Okay, and then same thing again. Okay, so I'm just going to duplicate this. So this button right here, I'm just going to press that, and there it is. All right, so now to add a picture in the background, you're just going to click it. You would go on Google. So for my Valentine's Day collection, I want to do something red and something silky. So I just went on Google, I typed in red silky sheets, and I found this image right here. So I just clicked that, and it just fills the letter up right there. So you can also click it, and then you can choose if you want to make it bigger or smaller, whatever you like. So for me, I like that, and then we're just going to continue doing that for the rest of the letters. Now the next thing I want to do is add some text. So I'm going to press the plus sign at the bottom bottom right corner. I'm going to go to text. So automatically you have some text here that you can choose from, some layouts, some designs that you can customize yourself, which I really like. Or you can just go to add some text of your own, and then it will just pop up and you can add your text, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to go back to the plus sign, text, and then I want to use the Real Love font, and then I'm going to type in my collection. Next is, I'm just going to change this here, and I'm just going to put with, and I'm going to actually make it more bold, and that looks good to me. Adore Me lip gloss bundle with, guys, my bad, Adore Me lip gloss bundle sample size. I'm gonna actually add this text again because I want to be able to move around with, and I like that font, so I'm just gonna delete that. So I'm gonna go back into my fonts, text, and then I'm gonna find the one that I would like to use. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use a cell right here. I'm just gonna get rid of this text. I don't need it. And then I'm gonna write, okay, so with any purchase, go size, any purchase. Okay, so that's looking good so far. Okay, so now I'm gonna just click on the with text and I'm gonna duplicate it. Oops, I clicked the wrong one. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit the back button right here, go back, and then I want the width. Oops. Okay, hold on, guys. So let me just, this width, I'm gonna duplicate it here, put that up there for a second, align this back where I'd like it to be. I'm gonna use width, and I'm actually gonna change it to on, and then I'm just gonna align that where I'd like that to be as well. And then next thing to do is I'm going to take this font again. I'm just going to duplicate it, and then I'm just going to change. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to take this font again. I'm going to duplicate it, and then I'm just going to change the font here. So I'm going to write my website, www.heirbauti.com. Okay, herebeauty.com. I'm going to size that, and then I'm going to just lay that where I'd like that to be as well. So you just want to size this however you'd like to size it. You can play around with it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press this plus sign again, and then I'm going to go to illustration. I want to go to line, and then I'm going to type in underline. Okay, so I'm going to choose an underlining that I like. If you see those crown symbols, that just means if you want to upgrade with Canva, then you're able to use those designs. For me, I'm okay. I usually just play around with what I can. Okay, so I have no idea where I found that line, but I did find another one that looks similar. It looks pretty similar, so I can go ahead and use this, size that. Okay, so we've got this far now. I want to add a border. So, I'm still learning, playing around with Canva, you know, so you could add borders in many different ways. You can get just a PNG file from Google, um, or you can go to illustration, go to lines, and find borders. Oops. And then you can choose whatever border you would like here. For me, sorry. So for me, I have this image in my phone that I want to use the border of. So I'm just gonna find that image. Whew. So I just want that image, and then I'm just gonna turn it, and then I'm gonna size it bigger, and then I'm legit just gonna use the border side. I'm just gonna use the border of it. That's all I'm gonna do. It's so easy, honestly. If I never showed you guys this, you guys would have had no idea. Okay, and I'm just gonna duplicate it, and then I'm gonna turn it around, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the bottom. Okay, and that is how I'm gonna do my border. So now I am going to choose an image again that I found off Google, and I'm gonna add some flower petals. This is a PNG file, so remember, if you want to add any sort of image from Google on your photos or anything like that, then you have to make sure that it is a transparent PNG file. So I'm just gonna add my petals, and I'm gonna duplicate them, and I'm just gonna play around with it, see where I would like them to sit. That is my flyer that I'm going to be using for my lip gloss bundles. Um, so I have some lip gloss bundles that are available full size on my website, and then I also have some sample sizes if you purchase with any of your purchase on the site as well. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys learned something new here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. Turn on your post notifications. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from me, if you guys like these types of editing videos. And see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.